tooth out.
Okay.
Okay? And we got it right here, and it's been bleeding real good. We just need to get it.
Aye.
Good.
That hurts.
It's gone. It's gone. There it is! You didn't even know it came out! Yes! Alright, now smile into the camera. Zoom in, Daddy. We have a bloody missing tooth.
Look.
Come here.
Damon.
Regulation weight,
Didn't even know it came out.
a little worn, but
Show it.
you're not mad.
Well, there's not much to show. It's small once you get it out.
How come it won't focus up front?
Nice cat.
Got it?
Yeah, it's not focusing.
Fumble.
This is stupid. Let's get a real ball in here.
That's alright. Just keep
Ball
it
with
rinsed
nothing
out.
but rubber and air there.
That's exciting. It happened.
Basketball, what you do with it.
Is that all gonna taste gonna
Before you
stand
play
up
with
yet?
this,
No, it'll push up.
you gotta learn how to play with